With each step, the world is continuously dividing into parts, one that we left behind and the one that is still in front of us. Take for example, if I just read one chapter of a book, the world divides for me in two parts. The people who haven't read that chapter and have no idea about that is one part of the world, and the people who have read this chapter and have understood the concept are in the other part of the world. So with our each action, the world is continuously dividing into two parts. Whatsoever we do, the world always divide in two parts. The people who admire us or the people who know this thing, and the people who didn't admire us or the people who didn't understand this. So the world is always dividing in two parts, and I'm not saying that with our only positive step or step forward in life the world is changing, but always if we take and step back also the world will change for us and world will always divide in two parts. So there are always people that are ahead of us and there are always people who are behind us. So we should always consider ourselves privileged because there are always people who are behind us in all aspects of our life, and there are always, and we must not have any kind of ego inside ourselves because there are always people who are in front of us, who are ahead of us, and the path is yet to be achieved. So what I am saying is the world is always in two parts. The people who are behind us, we can help them to reach higher, and we can work on ourselves also to move in front, to achieve more things in our life, to achieve more and move forward in life. So the division of world is not bad for the people who understand that how it benefits them as well as society. So take this into consideration that with your each step that you took in your life, howsoever that small could be, but still it will make a significant change in your life, and for you the world will always divide into part, for the people who will be in favor of the idea and the people who will be against the idea. So it is up to us to understand that these things doesn't matter for us because this is going to be forever. Whatsoever the level of excellence we reach in our life or the success we reach in our life, the people will always criticize us for something, and there are people who will always appreciate us for something. But we must not feel bad about the critics, and we must not feel very excited about the goods. We always think about development of ourselves and consider that this is going to last forever. So it is up to us that how we will take it and how we'll make it in our constructive personal growth.